Hi everyone, you guys are welcome back to my YouTube channel. It's your girl Unique Nilo. All right, this particular design you are seeing now, these are not my work. It's just some subscribers that sent it to me, and we found out that this design has been trending on the social media, and I felt like sharing it. This is normal, simple turban, but why I like it is you can design it in more than 3 ways. I think I got up to 5 ways of even styling it on my own. And this is the first design. This is my work, yes. This is the first way of designing it. This is another method. One thing about this turban is that you can style it in any way. This is the third way, okay. What you do for me is once you learn yours, this is the fourth design. Once you learn yours, you can style it in any way you want. And this is the last design. So guys, start taking your time. Let's move straight to the tutorial. So guys, the material I'll be using for this material is raw silk fabric. Yes, you can use any design, any material of your choice, any stretchy fabric, you can use it. And for this material, the length part is the stretchy part, and it measures 28 inches length, while the width is the non-stretchy part, which is 25 inches width. Okay, the length part is the stretchy part, 28 inches length. All right, so what I'll be doing now is just to show you how to use it to form your pleated. This is not the V face, this is just the round face, the pleated part. Okay, you can see the way I folded it in. You fold in like that and form your first pleat. Just hem the mouth of the material, then you pleat again this way. After pleating, I'm just trying to explain it for the beginners. Then you pleat again and sew, then pleat again and sew. I already have tutorial on my channel on how to do this. This is why I really want this video to be too long. That's why I skipped showing you a detailed way of doing this. Okay, so after sewing, this is the outcome. Make sure that the pleat covers the thread. And next thing I'll be doing now is just to form a curve at the back of this turban. The reason why I made my length to be 28 inches is because I want the back of this turban to drop. But if you don't want the back of yours to drop, you can reduce the length. Okay, remember my length is 28 inches. All right, so after trimming it this way, just set it aside. Don't sew please. All right, the material I'll be using now is for the design, and it measures 27 inches length by 6 inches width. Okay, and you fold it in this way and just sew the wrong part. After sewing it, you turn it out. This is what we're going to use for that round design you saw, and this is 1 inch foam. 1 inch foam. The length of this 1 inch foam is 27 inches by 2 inches width. Okay, all right, so you're going to insert it inside this material this way. Remember, the length part is the stretchy part. The length part is the stretchy part. So that's why the length of your foam and the length of your fabric is same thing. So guys, the material I'm holding now is for the design, and you can see that the length part is stretchy while the width is non-stretchy. Okay, so the measurement for this fabric is 72 inches by 12 inches width. Remember, the length part is the stretchy part. Why I said 72 inches width is if you join this material together, it will give you 72 inches width. So what actually happened was I cut out 2 pieces of 36 inches. My fabric is 1 yard, which is 36 inches. So I cut out, that stretchy part is the length part. I cut it out 2 pieces. So if you cut it out, it will be 36 plus 36, it will give you 72 inches. So if you have a fabric that is just 72 inches, use it. But mine had to do join. I don't know if you understand me. All right, so you join it together this way. I'm just using 1 yard of fabric for this, okay? All right, I'm just trying to manage my material. And after sewing it together, if you now measure it like this to give you 72 inches, that is 36. So 36 inches length by 12 inches width. So have hemmed the edge of this place, okay? And the other side, let me show you what I just did. Just fold it in this way into 2. Fold 1 and 2, okay? Then after folding it, just take it to your sewing machine and you sew it down. That's what I did on the other side. Okay, after sewing it, then fold it this way. Watch and see what I mean. Just take it this way, okay? Fold it backwards this way, making the wrong side to face you, and you will now sew it down, okay? Make sure you're sewing on the wrong side of the fabric. I'm done sewing and this is the outcome. So what I will be doing now is to turn it out, okay? You can see that join part. I just have to show you all these things so you don't get confused. So what you'll be doing is you turn it out, okay? Guys, if you have reached this level and you've not subscribed, kindly subscribe to my channel, please. And if you find this video helpful, don't hesitate to give this video a thumbs up. Please, that place that is showing you thumbs up, I don't know if you understand me, hit that button, please. All right, so I took that foam, and I'm inserting these ruffles inside it, okay? So once you're done doing this, you place it on top of your dummy head and sew down. Guys, there's a trick here. Don't be in a haste or in a hurry to fast forward this video. Just wait, let me show you something here. You must do something in order to make this turban to come out more beautiful. And what is that thing? Before I attach this to the turban cap base, you will notice that this part is big. The edge of this fabric is big, Abby. So just what I'm doing now, fold it like this, okay? Just take like 2 inches from where you sew. This was how it is. You can see it's too big. This mouth is big. What you just do is turn it out. You understand? Just turn it out. And see, if you leave it this way, it will be dancing up and down. It won't give you that, I don't know what to call it. But after sewing it, you understand what I mean. Just fold this part this way and sew it down. Just take like 2 inches inside and sew down this way. You can see where my hand is going. Just sew it down. And whatever you're doing on this side, also do same thing here. Turn it out. Please, while sewing, don't sew on the other ruffles. So avoid that ruffles, okay? Just turn it out this way, drag it and adjust this way. Then you sew from here down. I don't know if you understand me. Just like 2 inches. Then you sew it down. Just slant your hand small. Don't sew it down too much, okay? And once you're done doing that, this is the way it will look. You can see the outcome of mine. Then you turn it out. The reason why I'm doing this is that tip, as in the edge of these ruffles, will not be dancing up and down. To be as if it's a bit tight, but it's not too tight. When you adjust it, it will stand that side, that place where you placed it. I don't know if you understand me. All right, in case your foam is coming out, just drag it out this way. Just drag it out. The reason why you should drag it out is so you don't sew on top of your foam. Remember, this part I'm dragging is the stretchy part, okay? So I'll just use my pin to hold it this way before sewing. I'm just doing this for beginners. You can just sew down without using pin. But what I'm just doing is I'm trying to use that pin to hold it down so that while sewing, I won't mistakenly go and sew on top of the ruffles. I don't know if you understand me. All right, just take your pin and sew the 2 edges, as in those 2 edges, the ruffles. Just pin it down, okay? Now, over to the cap base. Remember what I cut out, the length was 28 inches, and when you fold it, you're getting 14. So I'm working on head circumference, which is 23 inches. The head circumference I'm working with is 23 inches. So just fold it this way, and half of 23 inches is 11 and a half. So I'm just marking 11 and a half from here. Then I'll slant my hand this way and cut it out. If your head circumference is 22 inches, just mark 11 inches, but mine is 23 inches. So the reason why I'm doing this is because I told you I want the back of mine to drop. So if you don't want the back of yours to drop, just do your normal head circumference. Don't add any allowance. I don't even understand me. So I'll be trimming off this part, but don't go down too much. Just see where I stopped mine. Don't go down too much because I want mine to drop. You can see it. I want the back to be full, okay? So next thing I'll be doing now is to place this on top of the turban cap base. So what I'll be doing is to place it. But guys, while placing it, watch carefully and see the way I'll be doing my placement. If you have not liked this video till now, you're not doing me good though. Please support your girl by liking this video. Give it a thumbs up, all right? So place it this way. Place it at the beginning of the second pleat. All right. Then you use your pin to hold it down. The reason why I'm using pin to hold it down is while sewing, I won't miss it. For beginners, please, you can go and sew here first. Oh. Now I'm saying this so that after joining everything, you won't miss this part. Then place it this side again. Remember I said on top of the second plate. So once you're done doing this, please avoid that, what's it called? The foam. Avoid it. Also use your pin to hold it down, then take it to sewing machine and sew here before joining everything. For beginners, so I don't know. If you are not a beginner, you can just join like this straight and form your gathers. Okay, you can just join straight and form your gathers. So guys, this is the final look of this turban cap. If you find this video helpful, give it a thumbs up. Give it a thumbs up. You will see the sign there. Someone doing kudos, that sign. Thumbs up. Yes, go and click it. Go and hit on that thumbs up, just like this video. And remember I told you you can style this turban in different designs, okay? And if you have any question, have a WhatsApp group where you can send your message. The link is on this description box, or you can send me a message and I'll add you to the group. Thanks for staying up to this time. I love you all. It's your one and only unique Nello. Yes. Thanks to you all. Like and share. Bye.